only thing we did again. I'll go fingering in the bus back when I come from school. I think guys, please not gonna watch your ads them. Watch all of my ads them. Okay, because more some money. Watch your ads. So if the ads are for 5 minutes, watch out the entire 5 minutes of the ads. If you skip it after a couple seconds, guys, just watch them out for me. Please not because so if you wanna really support me, wanna really rock with me, wanna watch out all of the ads them. So what's up guys, what's not stopping, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today oh my god so today guys we're doing I see the title and I see the thumbnail and yeah, that's what I gonna find out. Me I gonna tell you no, I'm about to tell y'all I lost my V card. Now like talking parables because I don't know the whole YouTube policy and I told you that my grandmother the right view. Guess what? I'm gonna watch it here when I stupid. So yeah, so as me say no, I know say almost females so like talk about them somewhere, but instead of them get shy or nervous or whatever, but me shy a little bit, I mean nervous a little bit, but me gonna take with some of the shyness and the nervousness there and tell them how the story really got. So if you don't want to see the video there, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, follow up on my Instagram. I am Shawna with 2 S. Turn on your post notification for every time I post a video. You'll be the first to get notified. You first can comment and you first are gonna get a pin. If your comment deserve a pin, like if your comment something I like or your favorite part of the video. So guys, but before we do that guys, I want to do me a favor. I want to pause the video here. Go over to Shimera Brown channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel guys. Tell her say hashtag Team Shawna send no. Leave a like on our video them. And I'm gonna just go over there, subscribe and do that for me guys. So after I do that, I'm gonna come back and find out my business because I know that to know what. So I'm gonna wait for them. Are you done yet? Good, exactly. So yes, the title and the thumbnail, right? Whew, no, I'm about to tell guys, so I'm still with video because I'm a little bit shy about the situation. I'm still with the same way, but I can tell you that. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you how I lose my V card. Woo! So always I do that video, but I'm always shy and afraid of the backlash I can get. But you know, I'm grown now, I can't anger anything when I gonna bring to me. So I'm mega telling her that. So it started in 2016. Yeah, 2016, I did a 16 at the time. Yeah, so yeah, at the time I did have this boyfriend. He did older than me and whatever. So, you know, when I talk with him something, I tell him say, no, I'm still a nun. I tell him say, no, I'm still a nun. So I say, really? And I say, yeah, why impossible to believe? I say, yeah, no way, because you know everybody, every female basically I bust it open and stuff like that. So I say, well, me now bust nothing open. I'm still the only thing that I get. I look up. That's the only thing we did I get. I'll go fingering in the bus back when I come from school. So but that's true. So that I say that alone me did again. So they say that alone me did again. So the boy did laugh over me or whatever. So I say, you know, alright then, bet we're gonna do it or something. Yeah, so we did that talk about it or something. I said no, I'm afraid because my ears say painful and and all of them something that I've never read for all of that. So you know me don't go if I'm but or whatever. But anyway, so they finally come now, I'm alright then. You know I'm gonna just brave up and I go and I go do it or something. So yeah, so we tell me that is like you know them time you have to lie, you have to tell life to go get where you are or where you think you did or whatever. So that what they have to do. Yeah, so but tell him, I remember when we tell him something but anyway, tell him something so they make him reach out boy, I'm reaching another day or whatever. So we did go and chill and whatever, watch movie and stuff like that. And I talk about it and something. So you know we did a delay see me because at the time we lived with his mother and his sister. So I know nothing could really go on yet. So I have to just put it on pause. So oh, I'm tired. So, so we did there chat about it and whatever. So till when I'm start kiss up on my neck and kiss up on my breast. Oh my God, do you want to talk about this now? We feel shy now. I don't want to talk about this now. But I go continue because I start already. Oh, no, look at the dirty phone. Everything you want to interrupt. Sure. Did I go on and kiss up on my breast and neck and stuff and did I go on like, you know, get me fidgety. Turn on some high. So, yeah, go on and look at antics and whatever. So I'm still a back up like that. I said, no, I'm afraid of whatever. So I'm saying I need to be afraid of whatever. I'm not going to force it. I don't want. Ooh. I say, oh, I'm not going to force it. So I say, you know what, alright then. Wait. I could drop asleep first. I could go sleep first and then when I wake up, then I can do it. I say, sleep like seriously. I say, yes, sleep like seriously. I'm going to sleep and think about it. So, it's alright then. I did a farm sleep, I fake sleep, so till you drop asleep. When drop asleep, I didn't know one day if I really do it or whatever. I say, you know what? I'm going to just try just to see. So I say, alright then. I didn't wait till him wake up, whatever. It's a night now, you know. Start nobody fooling them again or whatever. So then did I take time and strip off my clothes. My grandmother. I'm so shy. I'm so whatever. Oh my god, I can't believe. Oh, I'm finally saying it. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay, cool. So I that to know. I'm such a retarded little girl. Like seriously, I'm so I don't know how to deal with me sometimes. Like sometimes I really wonder if me a half handicapped or me fully handicapped. Because sometimes I wonder if something really wrong with me. Because I can't believe me really stand up at base and I just want to look at a story me and tell them. So, I'm really nervous, guys. Oh my god. Worse than I get down to the juicy part, I'm nervous. So, anyway, so, oh my god. So, we did there inside to get my clothes on. So, I did, I think, yeah, I did have one pants. I think I one pants I did at the time. So, I'm so to take my pants. So, I take out my pants or something there. When I take out my pants, I hear something dropping about. I didn't pay the mind because, you know, they want so deep. At the time, so I didn't pay that number or whatever. So I did to come back. So I said, you know what? I did go on and like go on and we need to come back. So I only have my like bra and penny like so. When you're about to come back, I say wait, tap. Oh, I said tap. Nervous, I get nervous now. It doesn't mean I like to know what can be a member. I said tap, wait, afraid. I said why? I said just wait. Anyway, I tap. I said you know what? I'm not bother already. More go back home. I say, really, Shawna? I say, yeah, really, I'm afraid. I say, in the vex, I'm not telling a lie, in the vex. But when I look down, I don't know what this feels, but I have to tell it. I'm like, damn! I say, top right there, so top. No, not today, wait. Tomorrow. So, I get afraid. I say, no, stop. And then top. I'm saying, no, I'm ready to go back again. So now I put on my clothes or whatever. I'm way going home. Realize, say, oh, I not have my purse or something. So, because I look at him, I did have like $100 in my pocket, and back pocket and something. So that I did have to end up with pay the driver now, reach out my yard. And go and realize, say, oh, when I look for my purse, I not have my purse or nothing. So, the other morning come now. I call my something, I say, some purse drop or something. I say, yeah, whatever. So the other morning come down near my purse. The other morning come now for go up on the road. I have my purse or something. So the other morning come now, I feel go do something, right? I go at the bank and for go do something. I want to go do something then. My mama say, yo, I don't have my purse or whatever. So at the bank I wait or something. When I pull out and pack him, realize, say, yo, I lost my V card. Lost my V card. That's Victoria Mutual card. After me there the third in the line almost to get you, you know, I say shit. Then remember say, oh, something did drop from me. So I call man and I say, oh, it's my purse or something. I say, yes, it is. I say, I'm saying, no, so I come at the bank to do something and I can't find my V card. I say, see a Victoria Mutual card at the right. I say, I get mad. And I say, look, all I'm turn up in the right line. Alright, I'm the third night line, I realize I'm last my V card. I get upset, man, I go out of me and I start cuss. And I go on, so that is how I lose my V card. That is how I lose my V card. That is how I lose my Victoria Mutual card, guys. I don't really sit down. Let me get this straight. I don't really sit down and think that I can tell you no my business. Who don't come bash me? That's me I idiot. Eh? I'm afraid to chat them something up like my daddy and mother watch my video then. We'll get in trouble. So I really this long I think we can talk about it. Me wait till me at 23 me talk about it, then time I'm fully big. Yeah, me wait so long. I can't really, I don't really sit down and think so and then I go know how I lose my virginity. I can't believe you know guys. I can't really believe say. I'm gonna sit down right this and think. I really did not tell you that story there. Oh my god. I joke me, I make guys. Oh my god, we don't want to find the most eat Fridays, but I joke me that I make. I really joke me that I make. Lead up and tell a little story time, so I'm gonna make it up. All up in my head. All up in my head. To say yo, Ray. But if if we don't follow the story, some might that true, some might that true for true. Some might that true for true. But to the most part, it's just a story. It's just a story. But like to think things that I'm in, I think I saw you go, but I joke me, I mean. I really joke me, I mean. But just not telling you I'm losing the Victoria card, guys. But at the beginning of the story, but I forgot to say the word name Victoria. So that's why I said V. Because I did a short name. Because I don't remember saying Victoria the bank name. But I think a V card the bank names. So that is all. You know, I'm gonna stop them madness. I'm gonna stop them madness, guys. Anyways, please subscribe same way still. Where am I talking from? I'm washing my face. Subscribe same way, guys. But for you though, make sure you go back to Shawna Brown, guys, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Please, that part there is some tell us I'm missing or something like that. So just go over there, subscribe, guys. Leave a like for that video, like I said before. Follow me on my Instagram and smash the subscribe button again. You know, yeah. Also, guys, I want to do a giveaway, but I don't know what to give away yet. So when you comment down below some idea what you want me to give away, and I'm not giving no money though. I don't got it like that. I'm not giving them money, so I don't know whether I go way over the top about phone, iPhone, this and that. I not have it, okay? I not have it. And then, thanks again for staying tuned. Thanks for listening to my dumbass. Yeah, so we out, and that is the end of the video. The video. The video. Later.